Hi there, Dr. Jacobs here, and many people suffer when a person snores. Spouses can feel sleep deprived, and in severe cases, the entire household loses sleep. There's an FDA-approved anti-snoring device developed by top sleep disorder medical professionals that can help almost anyone to stop snoring. Clinical studies have shown that it's a safe device to use, and the research has found that over 70% of those who have used it have been able to stop snoring, and as a result, are able to sleep better. It's easier to use and more comfortable compared to other anti-snoring devices. Also, it's far more effective than any other stop snoring products as well. Before choosing to buy this product, make sure you really do want to stop snoring. Obviously, this anti-snoring device works. The top doctors, they all recommend it all the time, and I am going to recommend it to you right now.
My husband snores so loud that no one can sleep once he's fallen asleep. His nonstop snoring keeps me up all night. I have to be honest, although I'm very, very attracted to my husband, when you hear such a nasty noise coming from his pretty face, it can just become a turnoff. Up until recently, my only method has been a firm elbow into the ribs, which isn't really a actual solution. So I got this anti-snoring product and he's been sleeping like a baby, and honestly, I can hardly believe it. I slept all night and so did he. My husband's roaring snores have now turned into a gentle, slow breathing. We've tried so many other products before that just didn't work, but this one actually worked. If you have someone who snores and you're not sleeping because of it, then you need to try this anti-snoring device. You will be so glad you did, and you'll be sleeping better in no time.